Welcome to Credit to Credit. Today, I will be discussing the American Express Green Card. They have a new welcome offer. Earn 60,000 membership rewards points plus 20% back on eligible travel and transit purchases. After you score $3,000 on purchases on your new card in the first 6 months of card membership, and receive 20% back on the statement credit on eligible travel and transit purchases made in your first 6 months of card membership, up to $200 cash back. 3-time membership reward points on travel, including airfare, hotels, cruises, tours, car rentals, campgrounds, travel purchases on third-party travel websites, and travel purchases on amextravel.com. 3-time membership rewards points on transit, including trains, taxi cabs, ride-share services, ferries, tolls, parking, buses, and subways. 3-time membership reward points at restaurants worldwide, plus takeout and delivery in the U.S. 1-time membership reward points on other purchases. Terms and limitations apply. This card is great for travel, transit, and restaurants. Weave through security checkpoints with Clear. $189 Clear plus credit. Clear uses unique attributes such as eyes or fingerprints to digitally verify identity to help its members move faster through security at select airports nationwide. You can cover the cost of Clear membership up to $189 in statement credits per year after you pay for Clear Plus if you're American Express Green Card. All benefits, rewards, 3-time membership reward points on travel, 3-time membership reward points on transit, 3-time membership reward points on at restaurants worldwide, 1-time membership reward points on other purchases. $189 Clear Plus credit, Flip Delay Insurance, $100 Lounge Buddy credit, Global Assist Hotline. Payment flexibility. When it comes to paying your bill, you have options. You can always pay in full. You also have the flexibility to carry a balance with interest or use planning to split up large purchases into monthly payments with a fixed fee up to your pay over the limit. You may be able to keep spending beyond your limit while still earning rewards. You will just need to pay for any new purchases in full and your debt is due. Dispute resolution. If there's a fraudulent or incorrect charge on the statement, American Express will work with you to help resolve the issue. Shop one. Get free 2-day shipping on eligible items and a growing network of 100 plus online stores in Shop One. Enroll in complimentary membership as a benefit of your eligible card. Enroll now at shopone.com/American Express. Minimum purchase may be required. Terms apply. There's some data points. APR is 21.24% to 29.24% based on the credit worthiness. OER for cash advances is 29.99%. Pay over time penalty plus APR when it applies, 29.99%. Paying interest, due date is at least 25 days after the close of this billing period. Plan fee for purchases amounts and a plan overtime balance, a monthly fee up to 1.33% on each purchase amount. Credit card tips, fees, $150 membership fee, transaction fee, either $10 or 5% of the amount of each cash advance, whichever is greater. Foreign transaction, none. Penalty fees, up to $40 late payment. Return payment, up to $40. That's the video. Thank you for watching. Until the next one.